Okay, say select one plane, can go to the sketch. Here I am taking one rectangle. Okay, so length is some 200, width is some 100. You can exit this. After completion of your sketch, you can exit. After exiting, so you can click on the extrude boss bits. You can select this. So why have to use extrude command? Okay, why have to use extrude command means I am drawing one 2D sketch here. Okay, after converting this 2D sketch into 3D shape. Converting 2D sketch into 3D shape means what? You can apply some height of this. అంతే కదా స్కెచ్ని 2D నుంచి 3D లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఏమవుతుంది దానికి సమ్ హైట్ అనేది క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం ఓకే సో హియర్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎక్స్ట్రూడ్ కమాండ్ ఆల్వేస్ యూ కెన్ డ్రా ది క్లోజ్డ్ sketch only okay always you can draw closed sketch only possible to extrude okay what is closed sketch I will discuss later okay see here I am drawing one rectangle is a closed sketches okay I am taking extrude command so how much height of this one is here enter the height okay for example my height is 100 enter okay so here direction 1 direction 2 two options are there I am taking direction 1 only in the direction 1 how much height I am taking is 100 height okay see this 100 height I want to need in reverse direction for example okay so click on here blind pakkana chudandi so reverse direction symbol untadi you can click on here reverse direction you can create the height in bottom side okay for example I want to need top side you can click on again here okay so this is reverse direction you can click on here reverse direction in which direction you want to need the height okay meeku ఏ direction లో height కావాలి okay top side kavala bottom side kavala okay so after that so this 100 height for example I want to need both these sides 50-50 okay that time you can click on here you can take mid plane option okay mid plane means total height will be taking both these sides half of okay పైకి 50 వస్తుంది కిందికి 50 వస్తుంది లేదు నాకు ఒకటే సైడ్ కావాలి అంటే యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఆల్వేస్ బ్లైండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఓన్లీ okay so in which direction you want to need you can select here okay for example I want to need height one side is 50 one side is 100 for example top side I am creating 50 already in bottom side I want to need 50 distance in that time you can click on the direction 2 you can switch on this direction 2 okay so you can click on the direction 2 so here how much height is 50 enter okay so this is my sketch from this sketch to bottom side I want to take 50 height in top side 100 height both these sides I am taking with unequal heights okay so in that time only you can go to the direction 2 okay so నాకు రెండు డైరెక్షన్స్ లో డిఫరెంట్ హైట్స్ కావాలి అనుకున్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే డైరెక్షన్ 2 కి వెళ్తాం okay for example I am creating only one side one height only that time you can use direction 1 only top side or bottom side or both the sides equal that time also you can use direction 1 only you can take mid plane option okay see but I want to need top side is 100 and bottom side is 50 that's why I want to take the direction 2 option in direction 2 also I am taking blind option blind means always enter the value only okay how much height you want to require okay you can enter the height okay for example I am switch off this direction 2 okay here I am taking only direction 1 okay in direction 1 I am taking mid plane means both the sides I am taking height okay see after that here you can observe this one here one option is a draft okay you can click on the draft option I am taking 5 enter So what happened here, you can observe all the faces you can draft some taper shape is there you can create. Okay, bend అవుతున్నాయి ఆ faces అన్ని. Okay, 10 degrees. Okay, here I am taking blind only one side only want to taper. All the faces you can bend inside. How much angle? 10 degrees. For example, I want to need outside. Click on the draft outward. You can switch on this. You can take angle is outside. Okay, I am switch on this. I don't want to require this draft. You can switch off this. Okay, I don't want to require that draft. That's why I want to switch off that. Okay, anyway, you can require this. That time only you can use that option. Okay, so in direction 2 also same option is there. You can take the this side is also 100 height. Okay, here also draft is there. In direction 1 is also draft is there. Both the sides I want to require with unequal draft angles. That I am taken direction 2. Okay, without taking direction 2, for example, you can take mid plane option. Both the sides you can take with same value draft. Okay, so here I am taking mid blind option. I want to switch off the draft. Okay, just click on OK. You can observe this one. So you can create one solid shape. You can draw the rectangle. That's why rectangular box is there. Okay, so select this box, extrude, edit picture. Here I am taking what sketch plane. Where I am drawing sketch. From this sketch to only I am creating the height. Yes sir. ఈ స్కెచ్ ఎక్కడ డ్రా చేసాను అక్కడి నుంచి హైట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన క్రియేట్ చేయడం. See, you can click on here from option. I am taking offset. Okay, I am taking 10 distance is offset. What happened here means after 10 distance you can start your height. The sketch కాడి నుంచి height స్టార్ట్ కావట్లేదు చూడండి. నువ్వు డ్రా చేసిన స్కెచ్ అవతల నుంచి 10 distance అవతల నుంచి height క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది. Okay, that is the offset value. Okay, so what is offset? Okay, so I am drawing sketch here but I am creating height after 10 distance. Okay, so for example here I am taking 20 distance. After 20 distance you can create the height. Okay, so here I am taking sketch plane. Sketch plane means what? From your sketch to you can create your height. Okay, so just click on OK this. That is sketch plane and offset options. Okay, so hmm? Hmm. Can take offset. Okay, I am taking 20 distance offset. Click on OK. Select this, edit picture. You can see this height. Okay, select extrude, select your sketch. See here, I am taking thin picture option here. Thin picture. I want to switch on this. Okay, so what is the use of the thin picture means you can add thickness to your sketch. Okay, నీ sketch ki thickness add చేస్తున్నాం. How much thickness you want to need? 10 thickness. Okay, you can observe this one. From the sketch 2 can add 10 thickness outside. You can create 10 mm material only. Okay, but you can see remaining total will be hollow is there. Okay, so you want to create the thickness inside, you can use reverse direction. Okay, example this thickness I want to need both the sides into half of. Click on here mid plane. Click on here mid plane. Mid plane means what? So this side is 5 distance, this side is 5 thickness. Okay, both the sides you can take into half of only. Okay, both these sides I want to need different value. That time I want to take the two direction. Okay, one side is 5 thickness I am taking. Okay, one side is 10 I am taking. You can observe this one. 5, 10. 10 is inside, 5 is outside. For example, you want to need one side is, inside is 5, outside is 10. That time you can change the values. This is 5, this is 10. Outside is 10 thickness, inside is 5 thickness. Okay, so you can use thin feature. What happen here? Your sketch will be taking some thickness. The thickness material only you can creation is possible. Okay, but remaining total will be what deleted. Previously total will be solid is there now. Okay, now you can see total will be here. So halo is there now. You can create 15 material only. Remaining total will be deleted. Okay, that is the use of the thin feature. Okay, you can see here in thin feature cap ends option is there. You can switch on the cap ends. What happen here means, so here close both the sides. Previously open is there. You can close that one. So in that closing time, how much thickness you can need? Side thickness. For example, 5 mm. Okay. So click on OK here. What happened here means this is a closed one, but inside will be halo is it. Okay. So you can use sectional view here. You can observe this one. Inside will be halo is it. How much thickness I am taking cap ends? 5 mm now. You can observe this one. This is 5 mm thickness. This is how much? 15. This is also 15. Okay, cap ends means so in top and bottom you can close. Okay, that is use of the cap ends. You can click on here again. You can remove. So select this edit feature. You can remove the cap ends. Okay, click on OK. Now you can see here.
So only upper side is closed here.
Wrong. Okay, compulsory you can close two sides. Select the extrude. See here I am not taking any thin feature. You can observe this one. Total will be solid is there. You can cut this one. Inside will be also solid is there. Okay, that is the use of the thin feature. Okay, so one more important is there by using thin feature. Okay, I will discuss later. See, you can use extrude command. Always you can draw the closed sketches only. What is closed sketch? Closed sketch means what? For example, I am drawing one rectangle here. Here I am taking one line. Okay. So you can see this one. This is a closed sketch or not? This is a closed sketch. Okay. This is not a closed sketch. Okay. Why means? So here intersecting is there. Any intersectings are there. Okay. That is not a closed one. Okay. See, for example, I am starting from here. I am walking starting from here, for example. I am moving in this way. Okay. After I am come to here, I am some confusion is there. Which side I am going? This side or this side? Two routes are there. Yes or no? Okay. So that time you want to confuse na compulsory. Okay, I am deleting this. Now we want start from here. You can move this side. You can move this side. You can move this side. Again you can move this here. So again you can come to the starting point without any intersectings are there. Okay. So that sketches is called a closed sketches. Your sketch having any closed sketch, any intersectings are there. That is not a closed one. Okay. For example, here I am drawing one more rectangle inside. This is a closed sketch or not? This is a closed sketch. Yes or no? But inside rectangle is there but not touching anyone. Okay. For example, here I am drawing one line. This is not a closed sketch. Okay, so no intersectings are there. You can start from any point, again you can come to that point without intersectings. That is a closed sketch. Always you can use closed sketches only. You can use extrude comments or revolve command, any command. Okay, so now you can see I am drawing this sketch. You can exit this. So you can go to the extrude command. So you can select the extrude command. What, so I am selecting this rectangle for example. What happened here? This how inside rectangle is not selected. Okay, so just click on OK. This inside one is not selected. Okay, you can select both this. So select the sketch first. You can go to the extrude command. Now you want to see. I am selecting both the rectangles. So inside will be creating as a whole. Okay, just click on OK. Okay, see, I am go to the extrude command. Select this one, outside one. Okay, after that, here selected counters are there. In selected counters, I want to select the sketch, right click, delete. So what happen here? In that time, total sketch will be selected. Okay, that is the use of the selected counters. Okay, I am not selecting total sketch. So you can come to this selected counters. In the selected counters is total sketch is there. I want to remove that. See, total sketch will be selected in that time. Okay. ఏది ఇదా ఎక్స్ట్రూడ్ కట్ చేస్తాం. సపరేట్గా చేయాలి అది వరకు. ఓకే, క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఓకే దిస్.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఇన్సైడ్ రెక్టాంగిల్ కిందకి ఎక్స్ట్రూడ్ చేసి అవుటర్ రెక్టాంగిల్ పైకి ఎక్స్ట్రూడ్ చేయాలంటే చేయొచ్చు.
దేనికని సపరేట్ చేస్తాం. కెన్ గో టు ది ఎక్స్ట్రూడ్. ఐఎమ్ సెలెక్టింగ్ దిస్. ఓకే, క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఓకే. Again click on here. Here sketch is there na. Can go to the extrude command. So first you can select the sketch, right click, show this eye symbol is there. Now you can click on here, your sketch will be showing. Again extrude command, select the sketch will be separately. So I want to need reverse direction. Okay, I want to need some different height. You can select it separately for two sketches in that time. Okay, so compulsory you can show your sketch. That time only sketch is visible na? Okay, so select the sketch, right click. So select the sketch, after that only your eye symbol is there. You can hide this one also. Okay, so once a time I am drawing two rectangles, you can select it separately also, no problem. This is a closed sketch or not? This is a closed one. See? Here extra line is there na? In that time is also not possible to extrude here. Okay, you can trim this one. This is not a closed one. Okay, small extra line is there. In that time also is not possible to extrude. Now you can see this. Okay, see now I am drawing one circle on this face. Okay, select this face, click on the sketch option. Okay, here I am go to the circle. Here I am drawing one circle. Exit this. Where you want to draw the circle means what face I am selecting, in that face only you can draw the circle. Okay, so previously selecting planes, now I am selecting face. In which face you want to draw the sketch, select that face. You can go to the sketch option, directly you can draw your sketch. So after that, so without any midpoint you can draw face. Without face, after you can draw, you can apply the dimensions compulsory where you want to place your position. Okay, just I am drawing randomly. You can go to the extrude command. In that extrude command, in direction 1, some of the options are there. You can see this: through all, up to next, up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, mid plane. So many options are there. So through all means up to last surface. Up to last means what? Up to this space you can create the height. You are not enter any value. Okay. So up to next. These options very important. Up to next. Up to next means what? Up to next surface only you can create the height. You can observe this one. Up to next surface. See, this is what? Up to vertex. Vertex means what? You can select the vertexes. I am selecting this vertex. Up to this vertex you can create the height. Okay. So here up to surface. My surface is this one. Surface means face. Okay. Up to that surface only you can create the height. Okay. Next one, offset from surface. Up to surface is there. Next one, offset from surface is there. Offset from surface means I am selecting one surface. I am taking some offset value. Okay. See, my offset value is so some 10. Okay. See, you can observe this one. This extrusion is not touching to the surface. I am taking some 10 value, 10 gap. Okay, that is called offset value. Up to surface means what? Exactly touching to the surface. I want to maintain some gap. In that time, you can go to the offset from surface option. So you know already midplane option. Okay, I will discuss later this one. Okay, so these are the options here. Through all. Okay, up to next, up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, mid plane. Okay, in second direction is also same options are there. In second direction means opposite direction. Okay, you can switch on the second direction. In the direction to also get, you can observe this one. Same options are there. Through all. Through all means what? In second direction, I want to take in through all. Okay, here up to vertex. Which vertex you can select, up to that vertex only you can create the height. After that what? Up to surface. I am selecting this surface. Okay. After that what? Offset from surface. Okay. You can maintain some gap. 10. You can observe this one. Here also this side is also I am maintain 10 gap. This side is also maintaining 10 gap. Okay. So blind means always enter the value. Remaining all options are selection only. Okay. So reverse offset means what? Downward. After surface, you can extrusion you can take 10 distance more. Okay, here also reverse offset is there. This is your surface, you can observe this one, 10 distance is, extrusion is, okay, more this one, you can switch on this one, you can switch on this one. Okay, so after that, you know already think future, you know the selected counters. Okay, so I will discuss later this midge result. Okay, just click on here, you can already sketch plane and offset value. Okay, here up to vertex means what? Okay, so your extrusion is start from this vertex. Okay, in this one not possible. I want to discussing one more example. Just click on. Okay, so these are the some of the options are there. Through all, up to next, up to plane, up to surface, offset from surface. In both the directions having same options. Okay, so for example, you can draw sketch on top plane. Two directions are there. You can draw sketch on front view. Two directions are there. Front and back. You can draw the sketch on side view. Left side, right side. In any side, two directions are there, na? That's why direction one, direction two. Two options are there. ఓకే మీరు ఎటు డ్రా చేసిన టూ డైరెక్షన్స్ లో ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ చేయొచ్చు అందువల్ల మనకి డైరెక్షన్ వన్ డైరెక్షన్ టూ అని ఇచ్చాడు ఓకే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ క్లోజ్డ్ స్కెచ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ క్లోజ్డ్ వన్ నాట్ ఏ క్లోజ్డ్ why means here intersectings are there okay for example you can remove this one and this one this circle is a closed sketch this one is a closed sketch but this is not a closed one okay so here I am trimming this one now this is a closed sketch this is not a closed one now this is a closed sketch yes okay okay exit this so you can go to the extrude command you can select this so you can create this type of shape okay so here click on okay this okay I am selecting this plane top plane here click on here plane option is there I am taking some offset plane you know offset na offset option how much distance you want to need 50 distance okay reverse direction okay offset means what I am selecting top plane same top plane I am taking with 50 distance one more plane I am taking okay you can select the front plane also you can create one more okay so by using plane option so I am taking some more planes with some distance okay I am selecting this plane now can click on the sketch option see here I am drawing one sketch exit this okay now you can use extrude command okay so here I am taking up to body my body is this body means what whole component not face whole component is called body okay up to body means for example one more component is there up to that component you can create the height you can select this but not using this option mostly okay up to body This is
Sir, difference ఏంటి సార్ ఇప్పుడు
ఏం డిఫరెన్స్ లేదు.
after sir
బాడీ అంటే ఏంటంటే మన ఫేస్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయకుండా బాడీ మొత్తాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తాం. Just that is the difference only. You can select the up to face also. You can select this is possible. Okay. See up to body. In direction to also option is there. In direction to there is no body or no face is there. That time I am not using this. Okay. See here for example up to next also you can possible. You can observe this one. Okay. Up to next face is possible. Okay. Just here surface face plane, surface face or plane. I am selecting this face for example, not selecting that. Here surface or face or plane, you can select uh, three options: surface or face or plane. See in that time, see for example I am taking one more plane with some distance. So select extrude command. This is my sketch. Here I am taking surface or face or plane. I am selecting plane. You can observe this one. From this plane to you can create start your height. Or you can select the face also. You can select the surface also. Okay. From that plane or from that surface or from that face to you can create the height. Okay. Not from here. I am creating height from this plane. Okay. That is the use of this option. Here vertex option is there. Vertex means you know already vertex. Okay. So select any vertex. From this vertex to you can start your height. Okay. So you can try it that. Okay. So just these are the four options are there. Here I am taking sketch plane means what? Where you want to draw the sketch. From this plane to only you can start your height. Okay. So you know already offset option. Okay. So these four options will be in there from option. Okay, we can come to the direction one option. In direction one, these are the options are there. Okay, after that, in direction two also same options are there. Okay, so in direction one draft option is there. In direction two draft option is there. You know already what is draft. You can bend the faces. Okay, after that you can come to here thin feature option is there. You know already what is thin feature. Okay, after that selected counters option is there. Here is the thin feature. Selected counters. Here only one sketch na. Okay, in that time not using this. For example, once a time I am drawing number of sketches. You can go to the extrude command. You can select one sketch only. You can use extrude. Okay, but not selecting all the sketches. In that time, you can select your sketch. Remove this. What happened here? That's all sketches will be selection. Is possible. Okay, that is the use only. Okay, just click on OK this. Okay, total these are the options are there, but one more example I am discussing. So mostly used is up to next surface is very important. You can use extrude command. Should I ikkada. So extrude I am selecting only one circle. Okay, so but I am drawing two circles na, two are not selected. In that time you can select another one also. Here select right click, clear selection, two will be selected. That is the use. Okay, so here select this plane, this print plane. Here click on the plane option. One more plane I am taking with some distance. Okay, so can click on OK. Select this plane sketch option. In that plane I am drawing one rectangle. Okay, so can features extrude. Okay, I want to need reverse direction. That's why reverse. So here I want to use up to next. You can create it in this way up to next only possible. For example, you can take the blind option. What happen here? You can create the straight direction only. In that time, you can create the gap here na, from this space to this space. You can observe this one. Okay, so here select extrude. So here up to next you can use directly, you can touch the surface. So select this for extrude, edit feature. So here up to body, select this body. Now also possible. Okay, select this extrude edit feature. I want to take through all. Through all means up to last face. Okay, select this edit feature here up to surface. I am selecting this surface. So inside select చేసిన మొత్తం select అవుతుంది. Okay, so here these are the options only. Mid plane means both the sides into half. Okay, up to next is also very important, that is. Okay, so these are the options. So thin feature is used for open sketches also. Select the top plane. Previously I am creating one box now. How much length of this one? 200. Width of this one is how much? 100. Okay, I am drawing rectangle by using extrude command. I am creating some height of this. Just here I am drawing only one line. 200 distance line only I am taking. Can exit this extrude command. You can use open sketches. That time thin feature is automatically switch on. Okay, so here how much width your is 100 na, 100 enter. 100 I want to need both the sides, click on the mid plane. How much height I want to need is, so 200. You can create the box by using only one line, open sketch. So open sketch also possible to use extrude, but in that time you can use thin feature is possible, but not using open sketches every time. Why means you can design the components compulsory always you can draw the closed sketches only. That's why not using open sketches. That is the one more important point by using thin feature. You can draw not a line, you can draw spline also. Okay. So after completion of this, you can go to the extrude cut. So by using extrude command, what happened here? I am drawing on closed sketch. I am creating some height of this. You can create some material. Yes, sir. You can add the material. Extrude cut means what? Remove the material. Okay. In extrude cut also same options are there. So select this face. You can click on the sketch option. For example, here I am drawing one rectangle. You can exit this. After you can use extrude cut. See how much depth you want to cut. Okay. Here enter the value 50. Blind means value. Here also same options are there. What are the options having extrude command? In extrude cut also all options are same. Okay, that's why I am not discussing this. Direction 2 is also. Thin feature is also. Selected counters is also. Here also from option same 4 options. All options are same. But what is the difference means by using extrude cut command you can remove the material. That's it. Okay, so how much depth you can cut? Enter the value, just click on OK. You can observe this one. So you can cut the material. So I am taking through all option, total will be removed. You can observe this. Okay, నువ్వు మధ్యలో డ్రా చేస్తే మిడ్ ప్లేన్ యూజ్ చేస్తావు స్కెచ్ అర్థమైందా. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఎమ్ డ్రాయింగ్ స్కెచ్ ఆన్ నాట్ దిస్ స్పేస్. Okay, I am not drawing in this space. You can select the middle plane. Where is that middle one? Okay, middle plane sketch option. Here I am drawing rectangle. Okay, exit this. You can use extrude cut. Okay, you can cut one side only now. You can use mid plane, both the sides. Okay, all options are same. For example, you can use thin future, sketch option, extrude cut. Okay, here I am taking mid plane. Here I am taking thin future. So I am taking 10 mm thickness only. Can observe this one. Your sketch is taking 10 mm material. That 10 mm material only we can remove. Reverse direction. That 10 mm I am taking inside. Can observe this one. Select all bodies. Okay. Okay. So this 10 mm only you can removing, but this will be there. Okay. So all options are same, but what is the use of this one means you can remove the material. How to you can remove? You can draw the sketch first by using extrude cut. You can remove the material. For example, I am selecting this face. So sketch option. Here I am drawing one circle. Okay, so can exit this. Can use extrude cut. Okay, I am removing material. Okay, by using extrude cut command, what I have to do? We can remove the material here. For example, I am selecting this face. So sketch option. Here I am drawing one circle. Here also I am drawing one more circle. Exit this. You can use extrude cut. Okay. What is the use of the extrude cut means? You can remove the material. Okay. So this is extrude boss base and extrude cut. Clear, compulsory you can draw the closed sketches only. You can use these commands. Okay. So you are perfect in this sketch. You know the extrude boss base and extrude cut. Now design is possible. Okay, so to design the components. Okay, just I am discussing two components. You can try to remaining.